Hey you guys, it's Fashionable Shay and I'm back with another video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and remember to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Now let's get into it. Hey you guys, this is Fashionable Shay. I'm here with another video. I am going to be reviewing the Tinashe hair. I ordered it from AliExpress on Friday, today, and I just got it in the mail by FedEx. Today is, oh my gosh, what's today? Today is Tuesday of the following week. So I ordered it on Friday and I just received it today, which is Tuesday. Do not mind me, I'm looking a little rough or whatever. But anyway, let's get to it. This is an initial unpacking review, which I already took it out, so yeah. But y'all are just now seeing it. Okay, so they sent me this little mirror. I saw everybody talking about it when I did the reviews of the hair. They sent this. The bundles I got are 3 of the 26-inch of the Brazilian deep wave. Comes in this baggie like so. And usually they have the baggies, whenever I order from an AliExpress vendor, they usually have the baggies that have the plastic, and then on the back it'll have cloth or whatever. But it's still the same type of zip bag. It's just all plastic. Alright, let's open it up. I know y'all missed me. I told you I'm trying to do better. Alright, so we have our 3 bundles. I opened this one already. But I got 3 bundles of the 26-inch. And let's just be honest. Y'all, when I opened the bag or whatever and saw the bundles, I was like, oh my god, where's the rest of my hair? Because it's so thin and skinty. It's not skinny, it's skimpy and skinty. But y'all, where's the rest of my hair? So this is one bundle. Of course, it comes in the little net or whatever. I'm gonna take it out the hair net. But I was like, oh my gosh, where's the rest of the hair? Where is it? I don't know if it's true to length. Right now, it's stopping down, giving me some boob action with it being stretched. But without it being stretched, it stops right here. And I'm just like, this don't look like no 26 I've ever had before. But hopefully when I wash it or whatever, and of course I'm going to wash it and condition it. I don't just do a co-wash when I receive my hair, because I just have to feel like I have to get all the chemicals and everything from off the hair. It's been in the warehouse. You don't know where it's been. You don't know what's been going on with it. So before I put it in my head, I feel like I have to wash it properly, you know. But here's the tag. Saying 100% unprocessed natural hair. And you can dye, bleach, perm there. So, we're gonna see. I mean, it does have that chemical smell. You know the smell that some of us, well, just about everybody knows from the AliExpress hair. To me, all the hair smells the same. It smells like it's been, I don't know, permed or something. Well, not really permed, but it's been processed of some sort. But a lot of people complain. Some people complain that they witness a fishy smell from certain vendors. I've never had a fishy smell, thank goodness, because I'm just like, It's already bad enough. Like, I don't know. Well, I know that y'all probably still, some of y'all still wear quick weaves. I don't wear quick weaves anymore due to my hair being natural, and I don't have time for the struggle. Because even when you put, like, the protectant on, it's like sometimes the glue can still seep through the cap. The glue, how it has that fishy smell. I cannot imagine having hair that has that smell. It's disgusting. Just straight disgusting. Even though it can't help it, we can't help it. It's natural. But that, I don't know. Like I said, I know it's gonna come to life once I wash it. And you guys, these are the ends. I keep looking at myself to make sure I'm on focus in the camera. These are the ends. The ends look pretty nice. So yeah, these are the ends. They look healthy. The hair, I don't know, it's like straight out the package. It's giving me like Peruvian hair vibes. Because I really, Peruvian is my favorite type of hair. I've never had Indian, which if I had Indian, which I don't be want to pay for it, sis. I don't want to pay for it. But if I had the Indian hair, I feel like that would also be a favorite because it's so sleek and it has the luster there. And it's just not as like full as like the Brazilian hair, if y'all get what I'm saying. So, yeah, that's that. And after running my hands through it, I'm not... Oh, I got one string. One string of hair. And that's it. But after running my hands through it, that's really all the shedding I've been getting. That one. So we're going to wash this and see if it pop up and come to life or whatever. Because I think I'm going to just wash one bundle at a time. But like I said, I've seen other people review this hair. And it looks so beautiful. And it's so soft. So I'm just like, I'm going to try it. I think I'm going to just wash one bundle. No, that would be stupid, right, y'all? To wash one bundle tonight. Because I'm supposed to be getting my hair done. Or whatever. So I'm going to wash it and then go get my install. And then after maybe a couple of days or something, I will come back and review the hair for y'all. So y'all can see what's going on with it. Because usually when I get any type of hair, like, I've only had Brazilian and Peruvian. But even with my straight hair, it's like the bundles didn't really look so skimpy like this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just like, once I bring it to life, it's got this little nice little deep wave effect going on. I was going to get a crimping iron, but I have yet to find the 3-barrel one that I want. If y'all know of any great 3-barrel crimping irons, please comment that below in my little box. Because I'm just like real picky. And I know which crimping iron that I want, but I haven't been able to find it. I've been on Amazon. I've been on Sally's. I haven't been searching super hard for it. I was like, I'll just buy the crimped hair, basically. But if I want to crimp my ombre hair, I'm going to show y'all the wig that I've been working on. It's a U-part wig. Which I don't even know if I'm even going to wear it now that I done bought some more hair. But anyway, this is her. This is some hair that I bought. I'm not even finished with the U-part construction, as you can see. But it's coming out pretty well. I did the coloring myself. And it's coming out well. So, this is from a different company. It's not from Tinashe Hair. So, I didn't want y'all to get that confused. But, I'll stay tuned. Let y'all know how the hair is. I just want to show y'all the initial unpacking. And I also take a picture of how it looks after I wash it. And insert that into a video. If not this video, then the next review video, I'll post it. But I just wanted to let y'all know what was going on in my life. Life has been lovely. School is almost done. Like July. I'm actually going to be done early with my classes. Like July the 26th probably. I take my final exam for one of my classes tomorrow. I took a practice one today and made it 80. So I'm going to go over some stuff tonight and just, you know, review that. But anyway, thank y'all so much for being on my channel, and for watching me. And I'm trying to do better, you guys. I'm trying to do better. Like I said, now that I'm just like focusing on school, everything is gonna be better, so much better. I'm gonna be doing a clothing haul because I've been school shopping. Yes, honey, I've been school shopping. So Victoria's Secret, Rue 21. I haven't really collected any pieces from Forever 21 yet. That sale hasn't been as good enough to me. But I have like a couple of pieces that I purchased like 2 weeks ago. So I might just do separate hauls for each, because it's gonna be like a couple of pieces of clothes, and I don't want y'all to be looking at the video for like 40 minutes. So yeah, but I love you guys. Stay fashionable. Love yourself. Love Shay.